If you've been using AI to build stuff and you watching your money disappear and you like, oh my God, I'm running out of credits. Like, how are these people building this in a day? Well, I'm going to show you how to save, use your credit, and maximize what you got. I know y'all heard of Code. Y'all probably recently heard of Fable, and you like, oh my God, they took it off the internet. Why it was so good? Well, it is the bomb. Okay, it was the bomb, and hopefully it'll come back very soon. But right now we still have Opus, which is a wonderful model, and some actually models that are underneath that. I know some of y'all like, girl, I thought you was a Chat GPT girly, and yes, I do still use Chat GPT, but when it comes to building, I use Claude. So I'm gonna go to the screen. I'm gonna go to, not to the screen, but I'm gonna go to my whiteboard, because that's how I teach. I whiteboard everything out, because when you see it, you write it down, take a note, girl, so you'll know how to save money. And I'm gonna tell you the reason why everybody is kind of making literally making the same mistake. The reason why many are literally making I don't know why my camera is like on something weird. There we go. I know why many people are kind of making the same mistake right now. And while many people are making the same mistake, it's because they are using the same room for everything. And let me tell you, people who are only using one room are not saving, because you are trying to do everything in the most expensive room. And we ain't got time to be burning money. Okay, I'm gonna do like this, because I'm gonna show y'all the difference. And by showing you the difference, I'm gonna do an upside down T-chart right here, because this is gonna be the difference between no profit, okay, and the difference between a profit, okay. And I want y'all to be on this side of the room. I want you to profit. Most people start over here. They hear Claude Code, and so they immediately think, I can start talking to it and I'm gonna make a bunch of money, right? So here is Claude Code. It is the most expensive room, okay? And you use the most expensive model, which you are supposed to use inside of here, because it's the best in coding, right? So we'll come over here and you guys will use Opus 4.8, and you'll use extra, okay? You don't need that, all right? If you know, you don't need that. Really high will work perfectly over here, okay? Because it is going to use your coins, and it is the most expensive room. And again, you do want to do some things in the most expensive room, but you don't want to plan in the most expensive room. You don't want to changing your mind, changing your mind backwards and forward in this room. That's ridiculous. That don't even make sense, and that's gonna have you wasting money. Okay, so the cheat code would be, first, before you use Claude, you're gonna use chat. And you're gonna go in between, because unless you know some stuff, but if you don't know some stuff and you're starting as a beginner, you're gonna start coding. You're gonna start over here in the chat, because think of the chat as your engineer and think of Claude Code as your architect. Okay, so right now you probably you're not gonna know what to look for or anything. I didn't spell architect wrong. We'll just put an A right there. Okay, we ain't gonna let this dyslexia anyway, we're just using A for architect. Okay, keep it very simple. Okay, but with that, okay, so you're not gonna know architectural stuff right now. Guess what? Because you ain't used it. You never coded before. You only heard of vibe coding. You might have played in Lovable, Replit, Base 44, or something like that. So you might be a little bit familiar with some of the words, but the engineer is gonna have to help you talk to that architect, right? So before, you do not plan over here. Again, I'm gonna say it again. Don't be planning over here, because you're gonna burn your money. And I want you, if you're watching right now, just let me know that you're watching. Say, we don't plan in code. Okay, just type that right there, time stamp it. We don't plan in code. So you're gonna come over here to the chat. Okay, over here, this is where you're gonna plan. This is where this is where you might change your mind, right? And these is where and I'll show you the different models to use as a bonus, okay, for you guys. Okay, so when you're ready, when you're like planning, you can actually use a Sonnet model. Okay, now when you're ready to go into like a MVP or something like that, that's when you can up it to like a Opus maybe 4.7, and you can do like a medium or even a high. Okay, that's only when you're ready to talk to here. If you're not ready to talk to here, okay, Sonnet is going to be your best bet. Okay, you can use Sonnet for planning social media posts, Sonnet for really getting ready to plan, like if you're planning. But if you're ready to execute and you're ready to talk to here, then you're going to change this to that Opus 4.7, that 4.7 high, only when you're ready to talk. That right there is going to save you from burning, especially you guys on the $20 plan. That's really going to save you from, running through all your stuff in a little bit, because the highest model is going to run through your credits 2 times more. Okay, I'm just letting you know that. And then you'll find yourself, oh man, my stuff don't reset until a certain amount of time or something like that. And that's because your things are not resetting, because guess what? You're in the most expensive room. So the whole objective that I wanted you to get out of that is like this. Okay, so your chat, it is going to equal it's going to equal your engineer. Okay, so your engineer, you're going to plan under it, etc. Okay, for your code, right, that's where you're going to use your architect. That's the one that you are going to build. And then of course, if you're kind of like on the lower end, and you just really just want to think through some stuff, etc., you don't even have to use Sonnet, honey. You can use the Haiku, and that's going to be the cheapest one. But we don't really use that. We stay in between Sonnet, and we stay between the Sonnet and the Opus. We actually stay between the Sonnet and the Opus models. Okay, especially for some of these things, building websites, that type of thing. Okay, this is going to get you to the market faster by using your chat as an engineer. Once you're ready to talk, once you are ready to you have your engineer over here and you're ready to talk to your architect, that's when you go in the higher room. Okay, we don't plan over here, we don't change our mind over here, etc. This in code is designed for execution. And then when you're execution, you're going to actually able to get a MVP. First of all, you're going to get an MVP pretty good, and you're going to be able to get to market fast, which eventually will lead you to profit. Okay, and that's what we want to see. We want to see you create softwares for your market where you're able to come in here and profit. All right, so that's just kind of giving you a little visual and just a little sample of kind of some of the ways that I teach, and how I have the creators over there just really breaking it down. Okay, and as I come back to my see that? As I come back to my chair, see, it's not AI, y'all, it's me for real. All right, as I come back to my chair there. Okay, you got 2 workers. Okay. Your chat is your engineer. That's where you think you plan, and it's cheap. Okay, and you can put and in the code, that's where you use your smartest or your most expensive model. You're going to use your Opus, and that's going to give you all those little things like that. Okay, this is really a thing that I just wanted to share with you, because y'all my peoples, and I don't want you spending money. And if you want to join the cohort, okay, and maybe after the cohort, you may be watching this and you can join the next cohort that we have there. It's only $4.99. It's going to be a whole month long. And I promise you, by the end, the skills that you are going to have, you are going to be like, wow. I've literally seen people in less than maybe 2 or 3 hours go in not knowing nothing about code, but already coming out with an MVP project. But until next time, don't spend all your money in one room. My name is Crystal Hale from the Creative Space Academy, aka the Sassypreneur. And until next time, keep coding, and I can't wait to see what you create.